Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2020 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe Z51 3LT in Torch Red on black leather interior. So I'll start over at the rear of the vehicle. I've got the target top removed. It is color matched to the vehicle and fits nicely here in the trunk area. In front of that we do have the motor. That's the V8 6.2 liter, which is 495 horsepower, and that's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. This one has the MagRide, so it's got adjustable suspension. That's the cable there that goes to the strut tower. And we'll go ahead, we'll close the lid here. It's got soft close, so I'll just simply press and it'll pull itself shut. We've got the carbon flash metallic badge package. We've got the nice color matched Z51 rear spoiler. We also have the reverse camera for the mirror. So that will display on the mirror as an image, which is super cool. We've got the LED tail lights. We've got the backup camera just above the license plate. We've got the quad tip exhaust, so there's 2 ports here and 2 ports on this side. It is the performance exhaust, so you can change the sound electronically. So press of a button and you can make it louder or quieter. There is reverse sensors, so there's one there, one here, and another one there on the side vent. So it will let you know when you're getting close to items behind you. So we'll shift around this side. We've got the nice silver wheels. We've got the red Z51 calipers and the nice Michelin tires on here. We've got the carbon flash metallic accent along the door panel there. And on the passenger side, we've got nice red baseball stitching accenting against the black leather. We've got 2-user programmable memory for the passenger side. We've got the BOSE Performance Series stereo, power locks, power windows, and electronic door release. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side. And for the power seat, we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. Again, I'll just scan up this seat so you can see the condition. It's got the nice red baseball stitching on the seat. They are the upgraded GT2 seats with the carbon fiber inlay. And it's got the embossed Corvette logo here in the headrest. Looks great. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and tidy. We'll have a look here in the glove box. So we've got the books with this one. That's great. And again, nice red baseball stitching on the dash. Very, very cool design. With the 3LT, you do get the Alcantara that goes up and above. There is a very neat design with red stitch on the roof panel as well. So we'll hop out and close this side up. This one's got the carbon flash metallic mirror holders. We've got the blind spot monitor indicator there in the mirror. And we'll step to the back of the vehicle. And we'll move along this side of the car so you can see the condition. And here's your front wheel. So again, nice silver wheels. We've got the red Z51 calipers and nice Michelin tires on there. So we'll shift around the front. We'll have a look at the front. So there it is. Nice size storage for going on trips. You can put 2 medium-sized duffel bags in there, you know, cooler, small cooler, or lunch bag, whatever you like. We've got the 12-volt socket there for charging, and we've got a washer fluid top up here. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the lid, and I'll have a look from the front so you can see the condition. Looks good. The lower chin strap's in good shape too. With the 3LT, you also get the front Curbview cameras. So there is one right here, and there's another one over here. So as you're pulling close to curbs, you can see that on the screen so you don't bump the front end. There is a front license plate mount that's in the front there that would mount right here. But it's also got the Corvette plate cover as well. For the headlights, you've got the nice black housing, LED daytime running lights, and LED projector headlights. In terms of issues, let me just have a look here and see if there's anything. There's one little mark there. It doesn't look like it's through. So we haven't polished this yet, so that may come out. And there's one little stone chip here that we'll touch up as well. And one over here. Outside of that, looks great. So we'll shift around this side. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice silver wheels. We got the red Z51 calipers, nice Michelin tires, and same thing back here. Awesome. So we'll move on to the driver's side door. So again, BOSE Performance Series stereo. You've got 2-user programmable memory for seats, mirrors, and steering wheel, and you've got a programmable exit button as well. You got your power mirrors up here, power folding mirrors, power windows, you got your power locks, electronic door release, and the front and rear trunk release buttons with a nice pocket for storage. So over here, I'll show you the kick plate. So there it is, a little bit of minor scuffing at the front, nothing major. And we've got our power seat. So we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Awesome, so as we get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and tidy, and let's get in and fire this one up. There it is. So in terms of kilometers, we have 8,168. Nice and low, no warning lights or issues there on the dash. We've got our cruise control buttons over on this side here. We've got favorites or track change. Nice red baseball stitch on the steering wheel. Goes all the way around with the red center point. On this side here, you got volume controls. We've got the arrow keys, which work the dash, so that allows you to control your trip computer, your performance, your audio, maintenance, options, and simplify. Above that here, see if I can block the light for a second so you can see. So on the steering wheel, you've got heated steering wheel, you've got voice controls or telephone answer, and then telephone hang up. Above, we've got paddle shifters plus and minus here for manual mode. Over on this side, you've got your heads-up display controls. So on the windshield here, I'll just focus in on that. There's your heads-up display, so you can move the image, you can change what information is displayed, and you can change the brightness as well. So that's these controls right here. Inside here, we've got power tilts and telescopic steering column. Down below, we've got our dimmer switch and our electronic parking brake. On this side here, we've got our push button start, and then we've got our radio. So we'll hit home so we can start at the first page. We've got audio, so I'll click that. You got AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB, auxiliary in. And if we go back here, you've got telephone controls, you've got nav, so full factory navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot. You can set up different users. You got your settings, Apple CarPlay. That's not going to work because I'm not plugged in, and Android Auto, and PDR. So here's your performance data recorder. So there is a camera above the front mirror here that you can use to record track times or even street driving, and you can save it to an SD card. So it's super cool. Over here, we've got our front Curbview cameras. So there they are. Here's your reverse camera, and then here's your reverse mirror camera. So as you can see, you can turn it on to a regular mirror or a screen, and then above that we've got OnStar. Down here we've got our mode selector. So when we twist the mode selector like this, you change between modes. So just zoom in on that for a second here. So if we go, we've got track, we've got, go back, sport, touring, and my mode, weather. So those are all settings that you can control with this guy here. In the front, you have a quick button to your curb view cameras, traction control on and off, and then you have your gear selectors here. Here's your HVAC control. So you've got dual zone. This is the driver's temperature here. So we turn that down. It's getting a little hot in here. We've got heated and cooled seat for the driver, and then all the settings. And then further down, secondary control, controls for the passenger. So you've got temperature and then heated and cooled seat for the passenger as well. So that's great. And then in here we've got storage. We've got 2 USBs, auxiliary line in, and an SD card. We've got cup holders. We've got 2 keys in there. So that's great. And now we'll just hop out with it running. We'll have a look and listen. Great sound to it. Love the sound of the Corvette. The exhaust valves open, and I'm just going to show you here from the front with the headlights on. Very, very neat design. And we'll just move along this side of the vehicle so you can see the condition. Here it is from the back. Nice rumble to the exhaust. And there you have it, folks. 2020 Chevrolet Corvette Z51 3LT in Torch Red here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.